Hello everyone, welcome back to another mathematics lesson. Today our subject is plane shapes. Before we begin this lesson, let's remind the previous lesson. At the previous lesson we talked about solid figure. We have cylinder and cube and pyramid. If you look at the nets of cube, you can see the shape. Its shape is square. It is square. And for the nets of cylinder we can see circle. And from the nets of pyramid you have triangle. So we have three shapes: circle, triangle. It has three sides. And we have square. It has four sides equal. Okay, dear students. Okay, dear, if you have book, please open page 151. Let's do some exercise together. From the number 1 we have this shape. It is circle, and we have two solid figure. Okay, which of them show us the circle? Is it the circle or is it the circle? It is circle. And look at the number 2. From number 2 we have square, and we have two solid figure. Look at the color parts. Which one of them show us square? It is square. And the third one we have triangle. Which one show us the triangle? It is triangle. Okay, students, please stay with me. Let's go to another page. We have more practice. Okay, from the number 1 I colored the square shapes. The square shapes. How many square shapes we have? I color. Okay. It is the square. It is just move it. Okay, I color is, and it is also square, a small square. Is it square? No. Is it square? No. It has four different sides. I said square has four equal sides, so that is square. And from number 2 I colored the triangles. Okay, which one is triangle? Triangle has three sides. It is triangle. From there I have four sides, so it's not triangle. It is triangle. It's also have three sides, so it's also triangle. And there's also three sides. It is triangle. And for the last one we have circle. I color the circle. It's circle. It's not circle because it's have the different shape. Okay, and the different name. And it's a circle. It's not circle also. It's a circle also. And this is a small circle. Yes, dears. Now I'm clean the board and complete the practice number 4 and 5. Okay, I draw a small square, so I just use just 1 point, so I draw the small square, and from there I draw a big triangle, so I need more than 1 point, so I draw a big triangle. Okay, dear students, I hope we get benefit with me. See you at another lesson.